This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by getting the essentials in place. Your phone with Google Authenticator installed and the account you want a link already signed into. Once done, open the website or app that's requesting the code and navigate to its security or two-factor authentication settings. Make sure you have any backup or recovery codes visible or saved, because the setup may prompt you to confirm backups. Now choose the option to add an Authenticator app so you can scan the next QR code. Next, create the link between the service and your app by scanning the QR code or entering the secret key. In Google Authenticator, tap the plus sign and choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Scanning is faster, but manual entry works when the camera fails. Enter the account name so you can recognize it later. If the generated code is rejected, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time. Time drift is the most common cause of invalid codes. To finish, type the current 6-digit code from Authenticator into the website's verification field and submit. That confirms the pairing. Once confirmed, copy and store any backup or recovery codes in a secure place, and enable alternative recovery methods like SMS or email if offered. If you cannot get a working code, reopen Authenticator and rescan the QR or re-enter the key after ensuring both devices use automatic time. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode briefly to force a time refresh before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.